Hello, welcome to my kitchen. I'm about to make some stuffed peppers and I thought I'm gonna show you how I make them. I'm gonna use the mini peppers today, but you can use the big ones as well. The difference with the mini ones is that they cook faster. The big ones takes longer to cook, but it's fine. You can use either or. And I'm gonna use the small ones. It's gonna take me a longer time to stuff them, but it's fine. I like them. So keep please watching. Thank you. What you need for this recipe is 20 sweet mini peppers or 8 medium ones, 1.5 pound ground meat, 3 green onions, half cup rice, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of pepper, 2 tablespoons paprika, 12 ounces of tomato sauce, 1 or 2 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of sugar and a handful of parsley. And I almost forgot about the sour cream, which is optional. I got here my chopped onion and now I'm gonna move on to the peppers. And what I'm doing here is I try to look for the nice ones because they're easier to stuff, and I'm gonna cut the top and I'm gonna clean the inside. I make sure I remove all the seeds, make it nice and clean, and when I'm done doing that I'm gonna give them a good wash and let them dry for a little bit. And I'm gonna keep doing that, and because I don't want you to fall asleep, I think I need to make this short. This might be the last one. Okay, I've got here my peppers, my onion and half cup of rice, and now I'm going to fry my onion in 2 tablespoons of oil, and I'm gonna do that for 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna add my half cup of rice, and I'm gonna give it a good stir for another 2 or 3 minutes. And I'm gonna add my salt, and when I'm done stirring this I'm gonna leave it on the side to cool down for a little bit. And now I'm gonna move on to my mixture. I used here ground beef and ground turkey, so I added some pepper, a little bit of salt, and some smoked paprika, which I just found in Trader Joe's. You can use the normal one, but I thought I would try this one because you know what, it smells amazing and I can't wait to try it. And then I'm gonna add my handful of parsley. I didn't have fresh one, so I'm using the frozen one, and I'm gonna use all of it. And when I'm done with this, I'm gonna move on to mixing all the ingredients, and I'm using a glove like always because I don't want to get too messy. And I'm gonna mix this really well. And God, it smells amazing. It smells really good. I think it's the smoked paprika. You should try it. And now I'm going to start stuffing my peppers. You need a little bit of patience here because some of them are really narrow and it takes time to stuff them. But if you use the big ones, the medium ones, it's going to take less time. And I think I got around 20, and I still had some mixture left, and what I did, I used it to make some meatballs because you know what, the smell was so yum. And I think I got around 10 meatballs. Let's see. These are all my stuffed peppers, and what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna roast them in a little bit of oil on each side for only a few seconds, just to give them that roasted flavor. And when I'm done doing that, I'm gonna move them into my pot where I'm going to cook them. Now I'm gonna add my tomato sauce. I'm gonna use 12 ounces, half of the bottle, and then I'm gonna pour some water. You need 1 cup or 2 cups. It depends of your pot how wide it is. I'm using here only 1 cup just to cover them because I want to make sure the rice is gonna cook well. I'm also gonna add 1 teaspoon of sugar, and I'm gonna let it cook for 30 to 50 minutes. And now they're all done and they smell amazing. And I usually serve this with a little bit of sour cream, but like I said, it's optional, you don't have to, but it gives it a different flavor. That's how we eat it in Romania. And I eat the pepper too, not just the inside. It's you have to try it. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed my video, and please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.